Ukraine is rapidly expanding its long-range strike campaign. Its indigenously developed drones and missiles are hitting targets deep inside Russia's hinterland. In the latest strikes, Kyiv has struck Russia's crucial defense factory. Moscow, on the other hand, has retaliated by unleashing a missile barrage on Kyiv. At least 21 people have been killed in both sides. Our next report decodes how Kyiv's new strategy is changing the character of the Ukraine war.
Ukraine has unleashed a devastating blitz campaign. After targeting Russia's oil refineries, power substations and fuel depots, Ukraine is now reaching deeper, striking harder and aiming for the heart of Russia's defense industry. Kyiv has carried out one of its deepest long-range strikes of the war by targeting the Avitech defense plant in Russia's Kirov region, located 1,350 kilometers from Ukraine's border. Avitech manufactures components for Tor, S-400 and 5th generation S-500 air defense missile system. It also produces missiles like KH-101 and KH-59M2. Reports suggest that Ukraine has used indigenously developed Flamingo missile to target the defense complex. The long-range cruise missile, which has a range of 3,000 kilometers, flies at a very low altitude to avoid radar detection and bypasses air defense systems during deep strikes. The assault showcases Kyiv's growing ability to hit high-value targets far beyond the front lines. From St. Petersburg to Perm, Ukraine's long-range strikes have disrupted, damaged and destroyed more and more military, industrial, transportation and energy infrastructure in the past few months. Ukrainian military claims the number of strikes inflicted on Russia's operational and strategic depth has grown by 1,150% since the beginning of this year. Ukraine also targeted warehouses of retailer giant Wildberries, popularly known as Russia's Amazon, and this is the fourth attack on the retailer since the last weekend. Russia hit back at Ukrainian capital Kharkiv by launching a rare daylight barrage. Ukraine claims Russia launched at least 12 missiles from S-300, S-400 and Iskander missiles in the deadly attack. Russia has launched an unusually high number of ballistic missiles against Ukraine in July. As many as 107 ballistic missiles and 20 Zircon missiles have been launched in the first 19 days. The number exceeds Russia's known monthly production. The tit-for-tat escalation is redefining this war. Ukraine is no longer just defending its cities. It is hunting Russia's military-industrial entry. Meanwhile, Russia continues to respond with overwhelming missile power. As both sides push their long-range capabilities to the limit, the distance between the battlefield and the homeland is rapidly disappearing. Bureau Report, Beyond World is One.